everyone, today I'm going to show you drawing to scale. My name is Xinhua Huang. We have 10 feet 5 inches times 8 feet 9 inches. Scale is 1 inch equals 1 feet. So first we already have feet, so we need to convert this to scale or 1 inch. So we have 10 feet, need to multiple the scale 1 inch. So 10 feet equals 10 inches. Then next step is find inches. Convert inch into feet. So 1 feet equals 12 inches. So we have 5 inches times multiple 1 over 12. So 5 inches equals 5 over 12 feet. So next we have convert feet into scale. So 5 over 12 feet equals we multiple scale 1 inch. So we have number 5 over 12 inches. So how can we draw this number on the scale? First, we need to find the number that we can draw on the ruler. We have 5 over 12 inch, but there is no number that we can draw on the ruler. So on the ruler we have 1 over 32 and 1 over 16. It's this portion, so it means in 1 inch there is 16 portion of this size, and same as 1 over 8 and 1 over 4 and half inch. So how can we find the number that we can draw? So first 5 over 12 inch is in between 1 over 8 and 1 over 16. So we can find the x over 8. So 5 over 12 inch equals x over 8 inches. So we go cross multiple. 12x equals 40, and then x equals 40 over 12. So we have number x equals 3.33, but we cannot discard the decimal number, so we need to round the whole number. X equals 4. So 5 over 12 inch, we can draw it on the ruler for 4 over 8 inch. So for 10 feet 5 inches, on the ruler is 10 and 4 over 8 inches. And then we can also reduce to the lowest term. So that would be 10 and 1 over 2 inches. And next, we need to find the number for 8 feet 9 inches. First, also we need to find feet, convert it to scale. So 8 feet times scale 1 inch, so equals 8 inches. Then we find inch, convert to feet. So 1 feet equals 12 inches. Then we can have 9 inches times multiple 1 over 12. That equals 9 over 12 feet. So 9 inches equals 9 over 12 feet. So 9/12 feet, we can times the multiple the scale, and it on scale is 9/12 inches. So for 8 feet 9 inches, we can draw on the scale 8 and 9/12 inch. We need to reduce the lowest term, so that would be 8 and 3/4 inches on the scale. So now we can draw the number 10 and 1/2 inches times 8 and 3/4 inches on the scale. Next, I'm going to show you how you can draw those numbers on your ruler. I'll demonstrate here so you can compare to your ruler. And now we need to draw 10 and 1/2 inches times 8, 3/4 inches. How can we draw? We draw 10 inch first to here, and then half inches. So half inch is right here. Okay. Then 8 and 3/4 inches. So can grab the ruler here. Inches. 8 and then 3/4 is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3/4 is right here. And now we need to complete these two sides. Finish our drawing, we need remember the last step is to write down the original measurement on your drawing. The original measurements on both sides. Remember to put the scale. Then now we complete our drawing to scale. Thank you for your time.